Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Circle coupon code. First, you'll want to find your unique coupon code. This is typically sent to your email inbox or can be found directly within the Circle app under your account or wallet section. Before proceeding, take a moment to confirm that your coupon is still valid and hasn't reached its expiration date. Also, quickly review any specific terms or conditions that might apply to its use, such as minimum purchase requirements or exclusions. Once you've selected your items, add them to your online shopping cart. When you're ready to complete your purchase, navigate to the checkout page. You'll typically find a dedicated field labeled promo code, coupon code, or discount code. Carefully type or paste your Circle coupon code into this box. After entering it, click the Apply or Submit button. You should then see the discount immediately reflected in your order's new total, saving you money. If you're shopping in a physical store, using your Circle coupon is just as easy. Begin by opening the Circle app on your mobile phone. Look for the Wallet or Coupons section, where your active codes are stored. When you reach the checkout counter, simply present the digital barcode or the coupon code displayed on your screen to the cashier. They will either scan the barcode directly or manually enter the code to apply your discount to your purchase total. Sometimes, a coupon code might not work on the first try. First, double-check for any typos or incorrect characters in the code you entered. Next, ensure your purchase meets all the coupon's specific requirements, such as minimum spend or eligible items. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for help. Finally, always make sure to use your valuable Circle coupon before its expiration date to avoid missing out on savings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.